All right, let's say that we want to simplify this expression, and we know a square root, like the square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. So basically what you're looking at is each one of these pieces, how can you write them in twos, right? Something times something. Well, if you don't remember, and you can kind of, like with 144, you can sit there and go, well, 8 times 8 is 64, 9 times 9 is 81, and you kind of keep going, and you will see that actually 12 times 12 is 144. So I'm gonna write this under a big O square root. So I have a 12 and a 12. Now here I have 9 A's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I have 4 N's. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what you're looking at, anything that's doubled comes outside the square root as 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. A to the 4th. And then I still have this A underneath here, so let's not forget about it. And then 1, 2 in squared, and that A left there. And that's actually the answer. Now you might say, well, what if there was like 100 A to the 100th power? You don't really want to write these out, right? So what I do is I look at this, A to the 9th, and I think about this would be A to the 8th times A to the 1st power. Remember, you add. And what I'm looking at is anything even in divisible by 2. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at here. And so if I see A to the 8th divisible by 2, guess where that comes? I see this N to the 4th divided by 2. That's where that comes from. So you want to get where you can work these where you're not having to write all of this information down every time you work these.